Hi everyone, so I want to say a big thank you to Grandad. Grandad's channel is called Grandad is an Old Man. I shall leave a little link there so that you know who I'm talking about in case you don't know who he is. Grandad has been a great support to my channel from day one, and he's always had a great input to my projects to say maybe try this or maybe try that. This time he looked at this engine and it wasn't working, the car. It wasn't working, and he suggested the gear was wrong and how to do that and how to fix it. But he goes into a great depth of telling me what I should really be looking for. So thank you, Grandad, indeed. So I have completed the vehicle. We shall have a closer look at it in a minute. So guys, this is it. It's working very well indeed. Just to show you some of the improvements I made. One of the things I did is I changed the wheels into gears because I wanted the grip to work better. And I thought the gearing might grip the surface better than what it has been doing. The other thing I did is change the gearing. I had to put the large gear on the wheel itself to give me the right torque, as it were, and then I put another gear between there and this main flywheel here. The problem I thought I would have is the flywheel not being heavy, but it does actually work as it is, and I'm glad for that. From the original design, I have made a bigger piston here to give it more force. I had to re-drill holes to push it back a bit, and I had to do a lot of things with this one, but it's working fine now. The gear ratio, as Grandad explained a little bit to me, the gear ratio here, as far as I know, is 1 to 9. 1 to 9, and I'm not sure what the revs were now, can't remember. But these are third, so the gear ratio between that and that is 1/3, and that is 1/3 as well. So yeah, so let's see it working in action, and I'm really proud of this one because it's the first time a car which I built is actually working. And I've done many models in brass and steam engines, and I've never got a car to work. Now I have the idea of how this is linking to the gears. I'll do some more to see if I can get a steam engine working with the gears as well. Seems to be going to the left here. It seems to be working very well on the carpet if I aim it towards you guys, as such goes. Okay, start from here. You see, it's gripping the carpet very nicely indeed. I wonder if it'll go upwards. So this is going up. Let's see what happens. The light is reflecting a little bit, but should be alright in theory. No, it's not gripping on that. So I have a bit of rubber here. I'm going to see if it climbs onto that one. I don't see why it shouldn't. Oh, it is climbing. What it is this lead pipe is holding it down. So I'll hold that pipe up a bit and try it that way. If I hold it up high. There you go guys, it's working on a climb as well. Let's get a closer shot of it. Not bad at all. I'm really proud of this one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, leave a comment.